Hello, this is a short video to demonstrate how to register into SMANAG for a free trial. The registration should be made by a person who will be the super user later in the application. Super user is a person with the highest authority in the system. He or she can add or remove key users and manage their privileges. It is recommended to give this assignment to a member of the management team or to a management system administrator. First, you must go to smanag.com, then click on the Login button. Even if you click on Free Trial, sooner or later you will be directed to log in. Since you don't have an account yet, you must register first. Enter your business email address and a password to be used. Please note that SMANAG is a commercial application for companies. That is why a company address is required. Passwords must contain letters, numbers, and special characters, at least one of each, and need to be at least 6 characters long. You must agree with the terms of use, but before that, we advise reading it. At the next step, you must add your given and family name and the name of your company. Again, please note that this is an application for companies only, so you must add a valid company name. Now check your emails and confirm the registration. This is a security feature to avoid that somebody else registers in your name. You can now log in to your newly created account. By the way, here on the login page, you can change the application language as needed. After the first login, you will be directed to the subscription menu where you can mark all modules that you want to try. It is a good idea to try them all. Please note that with the free trial, you can always try the full functionality, but if you downgrade then to a lower level, you may lose some data which are not used there. After choosing the modules, check out your cart. If you have not done it yet, the software reminds you to add company data at that point. Please enter your real company data. On one hand, this is the basis for the verification of your subscription. On the other hand, if you decide to extend the subscription after the free trial, these pieces of information will be used for invoicing in the future. In addition to your name and the name of your company specified earlier, you need to add your phone number. It is advised to define a secondary contact person who could be reached by the SMANAG back office team should the super user become unavailable. Now I skip it. Address information is nothing special. Please make sure that you enter the registered company address. This data will be used for verification and later for invoicing if you decide on subscribing. If your company is within the European Union, you will need to add a valid EU tax number. If the registered address differs from the manufacturing location or the service provision site address, you can add this as well. Then you may choose a customer from the list or define one as needed. This setting will be necessary for the CSR or Customer Specific Requirements module, but you can do it later as well. Finally, if you wish, you can describe your products or services. The data listed here will be used later for the automated generation of the management manual. Now that all data are set, you can check out your cart again. Go to your mailbox and check your order confirmation. You'll receive a pro forma invoice about $0. Since the trial is free, of course, you don't need to pay anything. If you go to the menu now, you still cannot access the features yet. Depending on the date and your time zone, it takes 1 to 8 hours for the SMANAG back office team to verify your subscription and approve it. If your data are real and your email and your company data are matching, your subscription will be approved and you can start using the software. If your subscription is denied, you will receive a short notice from the SMANAG team with the reason. Let's start. Be effective, be efficient, be SMANAG.